And what I would also like to do in this video is show you what I found out about the Osprey Metron after using it for a couple of years. This is like so hidden, but I'm gonna show you. And here is why I advise people to always have plastic bags on their hikes with them. Check this out. I got some trash I need to throw away, don't want to carry it around. Plastic bag, straw that I want to throw out, goes in the bag, boom, put it in the backpack, throw it out when I find a trash bin. Okay, so we are on Nose Hill at the lookout point. Let me check out which one exactly. This is the Big Rocks viewpoint. And if I'm correct, those are the Rockies in the background. City is over there, Rockies over there. This huge hill pier park. Beautiful. Okay, let's continue. Okay, remember I told you I was going to tell you something about the Osprey Metron? Well, it only took me like a couple of years to figure it out, find it out. Happened now in Calgary, when I was, doing my thing on the way. What happened actually? Well, I was just, looking around the bag. I was trying to hook something, to be honest, I didn't even know what I was doing. And then I was like, I saw this thing up here, like, see that, like some sort of little loop. I thought it was something like for like a hose, where you drink and stuff, or maybe for like some bags have like room for cables. You put cables in there, like charge or whatever, headphones. It's not that. So then I was just digging in, and look what I found. See, I hope you can see this on a GoPro, but it's gonna take a while because this is hidden, man, like, and it's tight, and I don't know what it is, but here it comes. There you go. So on let's say if you wear it on the right side, there's like a little place up here, and you don't have it on the other side, so you ain't gonna find it on the left side. But on the right side, there's a little place up here, and it's not going in the backpack. It's not gonna go in the backpack. Keep that, in your mind. But what it has when you pull it out is like this, let me show you. So basically, if you got a carabiner or anything, this is the first time I'm trying it out. Pretty stiff, but you see, you can like hook things up in here. I'm guessing keys, or anything of that kind. Now it's not gonna come off. Oh yeah, there it is. And then there's like a smaller loop in here that you can also use. So it's not gonna be a hack, but that's what I found out. And yes, only after a couple of years. So after chilling with this cool gentleman out here, the winner, I don't know what it is, but let's go and have maybe a brewski or whatever. We're gonna go to the north side or the east side. Then we're gonna go to east side, like Inglewood. All right, let's go. Man, I don't know what's up, but that's some funky stuff up here, man. Let's check that out. Check out this stuff, like one of the coolest gardens ever. Like, man, who made this?